It's time to announce our 250 subscriber giveaway, winning a pair of Baofeng UV-9R Pros. Let's see who wins. Hey guys, I'm Kevin and this is Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms, guys. I'm really excited that we hit 250 subscribers. This channel is just growing faster than I thought. I'm super excited about that. I want to thank everyone for subscribing, for watching the videos, for providing comments, like and sharing, all the stuff that you guys have been doing. Really appreciate it. One of the things I want to do on this channel is to give back to the viewers, right? One of the ways to do that is to give away awesome gear. Guys, I don't know if you have seen some of my other videos, so I'll just kind of start from the very beginning about this radio, the Baofeng UV-9R Pro. It is one of my favorite cheap waterproof radios. Guys, when you're out hiking in bad weather, when you're camping, whatever, and you want an inexpensive ham radio, dual band ham radio that has a clean transmitter. Guys, I've tested this out. It is a clean transmitter. If you want a nice radio that's really inexpensive for, uses where you might hurt a more expensive radio, right? And you don't want to risk a more expensive radio. These Baofeng UV-9R Pros are fantastic. So I'm giving away a pair of them, right? So if this is your first video that you've ever seen from Comms by Kemp Outside, welcome. But that's kind of a weird video to jump in on, but hey, we're glad you're here, and make sure that you hit that subscribe and ring that little bell icon that notifies you when we release new videos, because we're going to be doing more giveaways. Guys, my goal is to get this channel monetized as soon as possible, to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as quickly as possible. And one of the best ways to do that, to grow a channel, is to give stuff away. So that's one of the reasons why we're doing it. One other thing I want to mention, guys, before we get to the giveaway, is at the end of the video, I am going to tell you how to win a Kemp Outside sticker prize pack, right? So I'm really excited about this, guys. So I love giving away stickers, and so we've got two little Kemp Outside mini stickers for my Kemp Outside channel that covers camping, hiking, and fishing content. We've got two Comms by Kemp Outside mini stickers, and then I'm giving away a Kemp Outside sticker and a Comms by Kemp Outside sticker for a total of 6 sticker prize pack, guys. And I'm giving these away, and I'm going to give out 50 of them. And I'm going to tell you how to get these at the end of the video, so stay tuned. All right, let's get right into it. So guys, we had 78 entries for the Baofeng UV-9R Pro giveaway. And so what I'm going to do here is I have, as you can see here on the screen, let me get this going here. I have 78 entries, right? And they all have a number beside them, right? So these are all the entries, right? So 78. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use on my iPad a random number generator, right? From 1 to 78. And that's how we're going to decide who wins this thing. So you ready? So if you can see on the iPad, right? 1 to 78. I'm going to hit generate, and we're going to see what we get. So everybody knows that this is not rigged, right? Generate. It says 17. All right, so we're going to go down to 17. And 17 is Dark Wolf 524. You are the winner. So congratulations, Dark Wolf 524. What I want you to do is I want you to email me at info@kempoutside.com with your shipping address. Has to be in the lower 48. I hope you remembered that, right? But if you are in the lower 48 states, we're going to ship you a pair of Baofeng UV-9R Pros. I am also going to give you the Kemp Outside sticker prize pack, right? That's going to be mailed directly from me. So they'll come separately, but you can get that. So congratulations, Dark Wolf 524. Now, guys, I know the moment you've all been waiting for. Anybody can win radios, right? But not everybody gets Kemp Outside stickers. So this is how you get a prize pack of Kemp Outside stickers, the 6 stickers that I mentioned. What you need to do is you need to email me your mailing address. And that's it. I'm going to give away 50, right? So the first 50 addresses that I get, I'm going to send out stickers. Now, stamps are getting expensive, guys, and I love to give away stickers, but it's really, really hard for me to just continue to just mail stickers for free. I've been doing that on my Kemp Outside channel. You know, basically anybody who requests a sticker gets one mailed to them for free, but you know, it's starting to kill me with the price of postage. So I'm doing 50 of these, and then I'm going to stop, right? And I might sell stickers. I might only give them away to people I actually run into at like ham fests and stuff. Or I might just open it up every once in a while and say, hey, I'm committed to giving away 50 sticker packs, you know, first come, first serve. So this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm going to give away 50 of them. So be sure, if you want a sticker prize pack, guys, and these stickers are awesome, right? I mean, these are not small stickers, right? That's the big comms. That's the big standard Kemp Outside. And then there's the little ones. You get 2 little comms by Kemp Outsides and 2 little Kemp Outside stickers. So first 50 of those who send me their mailing address will get stickers sent out to them. And who knows, guys, I might also do things like I'll do, you know, I'm thinking about doing some giveaway stuff on other social media. So on my Kemp Outside channel, right, I'll do giveaways on Facebook. I'll do gear giveaways on Facebook. And what I'll do is I'll give extra entries to anyone who has taken my sticker and stuck it on something, their cooler, their kayak, their water bottle, their camper, whatever. And if they post a picture of my sticker on their cooler, then they get extra entries. So I might do something like that here at Comms by Kemp Outside. I might start doing some other giveaways on some other social media, right? So if you haven't yet, be sure that you are connected to us on Facebook, on X, on Instagram. You can connect with us on LinkedIn as well. It's Comms by Kemp Outside, and Kemp Outside shares a LinkedIn page, so you can connect with us there as well. But be sure to be on the lookout for other social media giveaways, right? So I want to grow my Facebook presence, my Instagram presence, that kind of stuff. So I might be doing some giveaways over there to grow that. So be sure to check those out as well. If you're on other social media, be sure that you follow me. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Again, congratulations to Dark Wolf 524. Be sure to email me your address and we'll get that prize pack shipped out to you. And again, the first 50 people that send me an email with their mailing address are going to get a sticker prize pack. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm Kevin, and this is Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms. Please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that bell notification that notifies you when we release new videos so you don't miss a thing here. We have a lot more content coming on outdoor comms. We've been doing a lot of ham radio stuff lately. I also want to get back into FRS, GMRS, and MERS content, maybe even a little more CB stuff. We're going to do an APRS radio build. We're going to be doing all kinds of really cool stuff here at Comms by Kemp Outside, some POTA activations, getting on HF, all kinds of stuff. So if you like that kind of content, if you love outdoor comms, you're in the right place. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.